Hey, what's going on, guys? Sorry, the dog's making weird noises. Um, this is going to end up being the final warm up of the week. This is the answer for warm up number 14. It talks about Luigi is an urban planner. As an independent contractor, he charges $140 plus $25 per hour for each contract with the city. It says write a function to represent the scenario where Y represents the total amount he charges for a project. This one's definitely going to be on the easier side. Pretty much what we're getting at. I mean, you're finding Y, so I don't know what Y is, so I'm trying to find that. And then going from there, it says he charges $140. So if Luigi just shows up, it's $140. Doesn't matter. He's charging you that amount. If he just shows up, knocks on your door, and that's it, you got to give him 140 bucks because that's what you've agreed to. And then if he does any additional work, if he does anything else, it's plus 25x. And the reason why I put X there was because it's per hour. He might be able to knock the job out in an hour. He might have to end up taking, I don't know, 7 or 8 hours. So instead of X, I would plug in however long it takes Luigi to do that. And if you look down here, I wrote it a little differently, but it's the same. Everything's still going to end up being correct because the 25x is positive here, the 140 positive here. The other option that you guys have will not be right because this is stating you're going to pay him $25 to show up, and then every hour is $140. So the bottom one's definitely not going to end up being correct. Yeah, I got all the dogs in here, so I'll show you a video of the dogs. Some people are into it. I know Shanti made a comment about my dogs. Adam, same thing. If you're not watching the videos, you're not seeing the dogs. But here, Winston, Noli, Winston. Hey, buddy. Oh, there you go. You got one dog moving. Hey, buddy. What's going on? So, yeah, you got two of them. The other one's passed out right there. All right. And they were playing around a second ago. Good job, guys. All right. We're going to go for a walk here in a little bit. Hopefully, you guys are well. Stay out of trouble. I guess it's hard to get in trouble, especially if you're just staying at home all the time. But I will talk to you guys later. I'll talk to you next week. Message me if you guys have any questions, concerns, anything along those lines. Remember, every Monday I plug in those grades, and some of you guys blow up my messages saying, hey, how do I get my grade up? I mean, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to let you know what you need to end up doing. Just make sure those things are happening, all right? Talk to you later. Bye, guys.